Okay, this is it. We've got everything lined up. As you can see right here behind, we have the sprite sheet. Apparently it's 743 frames, which makes me feel a lot better about taking this long. Okay, let's hit the magic button. Export. There it is. I feel like I'm using too many highlights. This is where the magic is. Oh no. I haven't opened up Xcode in a very long time. Predictive code completion model. Wow. I'm getting the code bug. Alright, let's close that up. So I just wanted to have a quick look at this. Can you not open this with like text edit? Yeah, here you go. So this is basically a text file that tells the name of the sprite and exactly where it is on the sprite sheet. Some extra information. Duration 200. But that actually comes with as well. So that could be important. Because if that does important to Unreal, that means you can set the speed in Aseprite. %. Content, this one. Hit save. So now it has to save the 743 frames, but if I remember correctly, so it looks a bit weird. We have to apply select. We have to apply. There's a step where you have to apply the sprite paper ZD settings. And I don't see it. Create flipbooks. Okay. It's all working so far. Where is the bulk editing? Okay, let's try this again. Right click. That is a lot of animations. Select all. I was wondering if I needed to add hero in the tags. I don't. I shortened it to row, but then the PNG is row, so now you got row, which is funny, but I didn't have to do that. So in Aseprite you can simply name the tags for the name of the animation. You don't have to add the character's name. That will come from the file name. I get that I'm gonna have to replace stuff, but I was thinking maybe I'll just make my own. And then I got into the whole, but where is it? Because my game is actually a collection of prototypes and free epic downloads, and it's a little bit all over the place, which means characters. Okay, this is where that hero is. Hello? Hi. I put out a little video just the other day lining up all the new animations, but not all of them because there was so much work to edit it that way. But I lined up all my little animations according to the layout of a controller and discovered a few mistakes. Some right-facing animations had the strand of hair in the wrong place because I just flipped it, but I hadn't fixed the hair yet because it's not exactly symmetrical, which meant more work. But I think it's just a nice little touch. And I also found, so this is Aseprite, the tool I use to make my little animations for my own little top-down adventure. I found that because these are the very first animations I did, and then I took a couple of months making all the other animations, so of course I got a little better at it. And so these are a bit chunkier than my later ones. No, I like this one just fine. There is the walk down, is it walk down and run down? I feel like these don't quite line up with the other ones. Maybe too heavy on the, I don't think it's bad either. So I actually sat down today thinking I'm going to change all this, and now I'm like, apparently there's a feature between Aseprite and Unreal Engine that you can, once you drop it in with the JSON and everything, you can continue to work on your animations in Aseprite and they will be automatically updated. I take it as long as you don't add frames or something, I don't know. But it will actually automatically be updated in the game. That is awesome. But first I need to relearn how I've added everything, and one of the things that I noticed just yesterday, because there was a quiet hour during work, so I actually watched the Udemy course, Cobra Code, on how he imported everything, and I don't think I had quite the one I was thinking of, but I noticed that his tags all had hero in it, for the main character. And I do think I need to clean these up a bit. So let's just do that, because this is what it takes to game dev.